Coming soon in Apache Junction, Arizona, zip code 85120 in a cul-de-sac. Folks, this home is not yet listed. Be the first person to see this home. It's gorgeous. The builder is VIP. This is a semi-custom home. This is the former model of this neighborhood. This is an upgraded and premium lot. It's an energy efficient home with 2x6 construction, vaulted ceilings, formal living room, dining room combination, separate family room, open kitchen, granite counters, you've got to see this home, and you've got to see this home before it goes on the open market. For more information about this home, contact Paul and Jody Pelzarski. We're the owners of Arizona IQ Realty, and we're the listing agents on this property. Look at this gorgeous backyard. You actually have mountain views from this backyard. It's beautiful. And unfortunately, what you can't see in the video is that the backyard smells fantastic. All the beautiful flowers. They really did a nice job. It's pride of ownership. You can just relax out here and enjoy the good life. There's a boat gate over there. So it's at the end of a cul-de-sac. Tile roof, stucco finish, tile in all the right places. It's quiet back here too. Just relax, enjoy the good life. Not yet on the MLS, not yet on Realtor.com, not yet on Zillow.com, not yet on Homes.com, not yet on Trulia.com. See it before your competition. Paul and Jody Pelzarski, 480-777-7898. info@weneedtomeet.com, or our domain, weneedtomeet.com. Contact us today. When you're buying a home, our services are free, but our knowledge and experience simply priceless.